excited, guys. I'm still excited. 3 came up. So today I will be doing an update on my sugarcane. Nice. Oh my goodness. And sometimes the weeds decide that they have to come up as well. But I know how to handle them. And the ants are gathering, but I'll deal with them. Hello garden friends. My sugarcane that I planted about 2 weeks ago, or about 3 weeks ago, when I first planted the sugarcane. So now I want to give an update. It's still a little early, but I was so excited. I was so excited that I thought I really have to do this update. Okay, so I planted one here. The one I planted here had about 3 nodules or 4 nodules. Yes, so as you can see right now, here is the sugarcane from 1 nodule, and here is another one. So we have 2 so far. I am quite sure it's still pretty early, so the others might still come up, you know. So future updates, you'll see the next. I'm positive. Alright, I planted another one here, and this one had about 2 or 3 nodules. And right now, ta-da! We have 2 of them sprouting. There they are. And sometimes the weeds decide that they have to come up as well. But I know how to handle them. Alright, so we have 2 there. I also planted another one here, and these were planted horizontally. Okay, so I laid them down in the soil and I covered them up. Alright, and so we have 2 coming up here. Nice. Oh my goodness. And sometimes we have some little, I'm sure this is not one. I don't think this is one because, well, I'll just leave it there. I'll leave it there. Okay, let's look at the ones that I planted vertically now. Here they are, and ta-da! Here we go, and also here we go. So 2 sprouts coming there. See? All right. I chopped the top part of the leaves off, so give enough energy to the roots. And this is the other one. Just take off these dry leaves. Yeah, beautiful, guys, right? So you can put them to stand up, and you can put them to lie down. All right, just make sure you're exposing the nodules. All right, now here's another spot that I planted another one lying down, and this one actually had about 3 shoots, 3 nodules, and 2 came up. 2 came up nicely. 2 came up nicely. All right. And then now the last area was right here beside the pines. Most of them had 2 or 3 nodules, guys. So if I have 2 coming up, that's quite fine. Here's another one struggling, but just take some of the dirt off. And the ants are gathering, but I'll deal with them later. Okay, guys, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 in this small area. This little section was really small, but I decided to try. And even I can put some in the middle right here, although I need the walking space. Yes, so that's it, my guys. That's it for my sugarcane. They did sprout. Amazing. There they are. Okay, now let's go check out our pumpkins. Okay, so here's the other one. As I'm already seeing some blossoms coming up. Yeah. Okay, so this one is really moving. Oh, it's a little bit dark. So guys, look at how it's running. I want to make sure to train it so it doesn't go through the spaces, the borders that I made of the flowers. So this is going to go right around. Yes, I'm going to have to train it. So there it is, guys, for the second vine. Alright, let's go find another vine. Okay, here it is. There it is, guys, there it is. Okay, but I actually put 4. There should be another one. 1, 2, 3. Did I lose one? Yes, I think I lost one, guys, because I had 4. Oh dear, yes, I lost one. Okay, but I'm still excited, guys. I'm still excited. 3 came up really well. Look at the size, guys. Remember how small they were? Oh my goodness, they were so tiny. They looked like they weren't going to survive at all, but here they are. So this one is going to stretch all the way out. I don't want them to pass the borders. Alright, so looking inside here, and it seems like it needs a little soil. It's getting really low, so I'm going to be adding some soil and mix it with some ashes and chicken fertilizer. Alright, raise it up. I'm going to fill it up to about this level. Yes, so I'm going to get that and be right back.